Friends, it's Running Kimono, and these are the best gain deals over at the Dollar General. Obviously, the best day to get in on these deals will be Saturday the 14th. We're going to walk through this step by step, bite by bite, and unpack how to have the most amount of success with the gain deals. So as you can see, we have two different coupons, a 5 off of 20, which is a one-time use. So if you used this last week, one will reset for you on the 29th of August. And then the 5 off of 25, which is a Saturday only. Couple rules for you. Obviously, Saturday, those two stack where you're going to get $10 of savings on a $25 basket. Can't stress it enough to pay attention. Use the Dollar General app to scan the merch to ensure that the 5 off of 20 and the digital coupons are attaching. Any issues you might have, avoid. Not every region or community or city or whatever has the stack. I know in the Midwest it works, but certain places in the U.S. it just absolutely doesn't. You would know if you're an avid Dollar General shopper. And these are Michigan prices, just to note that. Okay, so last Saturday, I went out and did a $25 basket. And if you look at the right-hand side, see where it says SS under one of the gain products, like $1.01 and $1. That's when you know the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25 are in fact working. If you were getting the big old goose egg of 0, essentially you had one of these P&G coupons. They are no longer valid, but this sort of a thing that was just taking a bite out of it, and this would not work in correspondence with the other two Dollar General boosters. But if you still have the 5 off of 20, you can still do some deals this week. But I know this messed up a lot for you guys where you're getting like that 0. Okay, first deal that we're going to talk about is 100% digital. And again, if you used your 5 off of 20 last week, it's once per store card, so find a different store card to use. Use the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 for this deal. The first gain products that we're grabbing is the fabric softener for $6.95 and a detergent for $13.50. Now that larger detergent, this was the only one I could get the coupon to attach to. So at your home, if you want to scan these in to see the digitals that I'm speaking of, and I'm going to show you the exact stack that you need. I also have a video that I'm going to leave in the notes on how to use the Dollar General app if you're just not sure, but you absolutely need to scan everything in store, because sometimes what happens, guys, is on a Saturday, that 5 off of 20 might not be attaching to certain scents, and it happened to me last week as well. So you have to be paying attention. So this is what the stack should look like for the fabric softener. Original scent, boom, there's the 5 off of 20, and you need to see the digital along with the 5 off of 20 attaching to the products that you're picking up. It's absolutely critical, so that's why I would scan absolutely everything in the store. And then for the larger detergent, I got the one, I think it was like with a blue flower on it. Blissful Breeze, that's what it's named. So it's attaching that $3 coupon along with the 5 off of 20. Okay, so we're also going to grab one of these razor packs for $7 on the nose. And if this is not your thing, I have a substitute that you could throw in, because I know not everybody likes disposable men's razors. But we're going to grab one of these packs for $7. Here is the UPC if you want to scan at home to see the digital coupon that I'm talking about. There is a $5 coupon that's attaching to this product, so it's dropping it down to $2. It's even a really good donation item, guys. So here it is. This is the $5 coupon. As you can see, it's valid until September the 3rd. So yeah, let's look at the math really quickly. That gain detergent for $13.50, one gain fabric softener for $6.95. So that's $20.45 right there of gain merchandise. Adding in the one men's Bic 10 count for $7, the total now is $27.45. So yes, I can use the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 in concert on Saturday only. Along with $10 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous, you're left with paying $7.45 for the 3 items, shaking it out to $2.48 per product. That's kind of awesome. Now, if you're not about the men's razors and you're like, I just don't want them, hey, how about this? A 12-pack of the Scott's toilet paper. So if you remember, I think it was like a week or so back, there was a dollar digital that was working with this guy. So if you want to open up your Dollar General app and give this guy a scan, you'll be able to see if it's attaching or not. I believe there's also like Charmin and Kleenex coupons as well, so whatever you want. And here is the dollar digital for the Scott's toilet paper. So yeah, you know, a little something extra to get your basket right to 25, so not the worst deal. Looking at the math for this one, again, same math we have the detergent for $13.50, the fabric softener for $6.95 for a subtotal of $20.45, plus the $5 Scott toilet paper for the new total of $25.45. Subtracting the 5 off of 25 along with the 5 off of 20 and $6 of digital manufacturers, you're left with paying $9.45 for the 3 items, shaking it out to $3.15 per product. So I know that those disposable razors, you either love them or have a passionate hatred for them. So this toilet paper might be an alternative for a different sort of a deal. Okay, guys, final deal that we have is with some insert coupons. Of course, you need your 2 boosters that include the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. So we're going on a Saturday for this. First item we're going to grab is 2 of these fabric softeners for $6.95. So 2 of them, that's $13.90. I just love their fabric softener in the Gain line. So we're going to use this digital and see how it's stacking with the 5 off 20. So we're going to grab this original scent. Boom, there it is. And then also from either the July or August P&G, we have this $2 coupon that's attaching to that fabric softener. If you read the fine print, it should work. And then we're also going to grab 2 $3 Air Effects with the Gain logo on it. So see how it says Gain, it's like Moonlight Breeze. Grab 2 of them with that logo. Please pay attention. And then we're going to use 2 of these from the August P&G, and it's $1 off. Because it's $1 off one product, it's not like a BOGO free sort of coupon. You could present them at the end. There's no fancy way that you have to present the coupons for that. And then we're a little short from getting to that $20 price point for our Gain basket. So what we're going to do is go to the dollar spot and pick up either a detergent or fabric softener. Remember, you have to scan on the back to ensure that the 5 off of 20 is in fact attaching. So I grabbed the detergent last week with a lot of success, the one on the left. So whichever one you want to grab, whatever you can find at your store. We're also going to grab one of these guys for $4. It is the Febreze. It's a newer product. It's called Untouchable. It's like some sort of like spray for your, I don't know, like a sofa or whatever, if it smells like a pet or you just want to spruce up anything fabric in your home. And this is the heavier scented stuff. And we have a $2 digital that is attaching to this guy. Now, our basket is a little short from getting to that $25 mark. So we're going to grab one of these guys for $1.25. Either find it in the stationery aisle or they have like a new back to school aisle. $1.25. Here it is. And we have a $1 digital that is in fact attaching. So here it is. So let's just jog through this again. 2 of the Gain fabric softeners at $6.95 is $13.90. 2 Febreze Air Effects with the Gain is $6. They're 3 each. 1 Gain from the dollar spot is $1. So that's a total of $20.90. So we've reached our point of $20. And then to add to that, to get us to $25, we have a Febreze Unstoppable for $4 and the Bic pencil for $1.25. So the new total is $26.15. So as the cashier's scanning everything, that's when you punch in your phone number. When the cashier scans the last thing, that's when you present your $2 coupon for the Gain and the $2 coupons for the Febreze. So $4 comes off. Along with when she presses the pay button, the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 will be coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $7.15 out of pocket. This does not include your tax for the 7 items, basically shaking it out to $1.02 each. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.